Stop everything. Pause whatever you're doing. Take a deep breath and listen carefully, because what you are about to hear can change your life. Look at your life right now. Look at where you are standing. Look at how tired you feel. Look at how long you have been carrying pain that nobody sees. Look at how often you pretend you are fine while you are breaking inside. You woke up today with the same frustration you had last week. You are fighting battles people know nothing about. You are smiling outside but drowning inside. And yet you are still here, still breathing, still pushing, still trying. Listen, you are stronger than you think. You survived things that were meant to destroy you. You walked through fire and did not burn. You lost people you thought you needed. You made mistakes you thought you would never recover from. You went through nights you thought would never end. But look at you now. You are still standing. I know you feel tired. I know you feel like life keeps hitting you from every angle. I know sometimes you ask yourself, when will it be my turn? When will things finally get better? When will I see the light? This is your sign. Right here, right now. Your life is about to change. But it starts with a decision. A simple decision. A powerful decision. A personal decision. The decision to stop running from your pain. The decision to stop doubting your worth. The decision to stop believing the lies your mind tells you at night. The decision to stop accepting less than you deserve. The decision to stop living for people who do not care. The decision to stop shrinking so others can feel comfortable. Listen closely. No one is coming to save you. No one is coming to hand you a perfect life. No one is coming to fix what you refuse to confront. Your future is waiting for you to wake up. Your next level is waiting for you to decide. Your breakthrough is waiting for you to stop hesitating. Your purpose is waiting for you to rise. I need you to understand something important. Every single thing you want is on the other side of discipline. The life you dream of requires courage. The peace you want requires letting go. The success you want requires sacrifice. The love you want requires self-respect. And the person you want to become requires you to release the old version of yourself. Stop everything and listen to this part carefully. You have spent too much time being afraid, too much time doubting yourself, too much time waiting for the perfect moment, too much time telling yourself you are not ready. You are ready, right now, as you are, with your imperfections, with your scars, with your fear, with your broken pieces. The truth is simple. Your life will not change until you do. Your future will not change until your mindset does. Your results will not change until your habits do. Stand up for yourself. Fight for yourself. Choose yourself. Believe in yourself even when no one else does. Because if you give up on you, everything else collapses. You deserve better than the life you are settling for. You deserve peace. You deserve success. You deserve healing. You deserve love. You deserve to see yourself winning. So stop everything and listen one more time. This is your moment. This is your turning point. This is your chance to rewrite your story. This is the start of a new life. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Not next year. Right now. Stand up. Lift your head. Fix your mindset. And walk into the life you were created for. Because the world has not seen the best version of you yet. And your next chapter will be the one that changes everything.